Hello my sewing, knitting, embroidery friends. I just came back from sewing courses. Look what they did with me there. I'm a real sewing witch. Let's continue working on our creative DIY projects. We started this project together during my live streams. We crocheted a big granny square with colorful yarns. This is a decorative elements for our handmade pillow. And we also embroidered pretty ornaments on the fabric cover. Now we only need to sew this pillow cover. Here is my main helper, my Scottish fold cat Quinto. And this is my new little kitty. His name is Diesel Inch. I rescued him recently when he was wandering around the garbage bins. I grabbed him, I brought him home, washed him, and treated him for fleas and parasites. We already visited the veterinarian. All the vaccines are done. The vet said this is a kitten about 5-6 months old. Now he lives in my craft room. Back to our pillow mock-up in the textile cover. The next sewing step is clear. Let's meet near the sewing machine. Let's move the kitty to the corner. What a sound little kitty sleep. Let's get ready to work. Our favorite coffee. We have about 5 minutes to tune our inner strings. Let's start tuning into sewing. The left hand is grounded on the kitty. The right one is holding the coffee tight. Okay, time's up. By the way, a vintage recipe for you. Actually, it is a hot pot or a placemat, but today it is a little bed for the kitten. We're moving the kitten. The kitten is again moving to a new place. Take 2. Now the main thing is to get the front part of our pillow cover. Didn't make it. Pulling it out from under the kitten. Done. This is our future decorative pillow cover. The seam in the middle, that's fine. I'm an eco-friendly DIY crafter and I use leftovers materials from previous projects. The second piece is already done and I also find this zipper. I'm reusing it too for easier handling of the zipper closure. I need to remove the slider. I'm sewing the zipper to one side of the back part of the pillow cover. Now I need to secure the seam allowances like this. I'm taking the second piece of the pillow cover. These seams need to be aligned. That's for beauty. I'm sewing the zipper to the second piece of the pillow cover. One seam left. look like this. I'm covering the zipper and the stitch that attaching it to the back part of the pillow cover. Done. Now it's time to insert the slider into the zipper. I'm securing the ends of the zipper. And now the main construction seams. We need to sew the pillow cover along 3 sides. Done. Now a little secret. We need 8 small pieces of padding. What to do with it? Take a corner of the pillow cover. Place the padding on both sides of the corner. Sew the padding in place. Done. Turn it inside out. With the seam allowances at the corners, I shade the right direction and I turn the corners to the right side. I'm adjusting a corner with the needle. The padding we sewed in creates a full-shaped corner and it looks so pretty. I'm putting the pillow cover on the cushion. The kitty allowed me to do that, but he supervised. So let's take our crochet decorative cover. Place the pillow diagonally. We need to bring together the corners of the crochet piece in the center. I'm straightening everything, tightening up. Well, the double thread couldn't handle the tension and self-destructed. Let's take a stronger thread, the first pair of corners, a knot, the second pair of corners. I want to add button in this spot. I have some saved accessories. Let's take a look at all the options. Write which one you like best. Also, this big furry button takes control over the whole pillow. Subscribe to the channel, give a like to this video. Love you all. Bye bye.